Welcome to the exciting world of cryptocurrency. It might seem complex at first, but don't worry, it's easier than you think. This guide is your roadmap to navigating this new and innovative financial landscape. We'll break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces, making your journey into crypto smooth and exciting. Get ready to explore the ins and outs of digital currencies, explore the technology behind them, and learn how to trade with confidence. From understanding what Bitcoin and Ethereum are to mastering the art of chart reading, we'll equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. So buckle up and prepare for an exciting adventure as we demystify crypto trading together. Let's get started. Are you ready to become a crypto pro? Let's dive in. In simplest terms, cryptocurrencies are digital forms of money. They're like virtual tokens that you can use to buy and sell things online. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized system called a blockchain. Two of the most popular cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, created in 2009. It's often called digital gold because it's a store of value, like gold. Ethereum, launched in 2015, is more than just a currency. It's a platform that allows developers to build decentralized applications, or dApps, and smart contracts. Think of Bitcoin as digital gold and Ethereum as a digital platform for innovation. Both are changing how we think about money and technology. Imagine a digital ledger that records every transaction across a vast network of computers. That's essentially what a blockchain is. This revolutionary technology underpins cryptocurrencies, ensuring security and transparency. When you make a crypto transaction, it's recorded in a block on the blockchain. This block is then linked to previous blocks, creating a chronological and tamper-proof record of all transactions. Because the blockchain is distributed across many computers, it's incredibly secure. Hacking the system would require controlling a majority of the network, which is virtually impossible. Blockchain technology isn't just about cryptocurrencies. Its applications are vast, from supply chain management to digital identity verification. It's a game changer. Section 4. Setting up your trading platform. A step-by-step guide. Ready to start trading? First, you'll need a cryptocurrency exchange. Exchanges are platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. There are many reputable exchanges to choose from, each with its own features and fees. When choosing an exchange, consider factors like security, ease of use, and the cryptocurrencies offered. Once you've selected an exchange, you'll need to create an account and go through a verification process. This usually involves providing some personal information and proof of identity. Remember, security is paramount. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on your account to add an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Section 5. Taking the plunge. Buying your first cryptocurrency. Now comes the exciting part. Buying your first cryptocurrency. With your exchange account set up, you can easily purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency available on the platform. Start small, especially if you're new to trading. The cryptocurrency market can be volatile, so it's wise to invest only what you can afford to lose. Once you've purchased your chosen cryptocurrency, make sure to store it securely in a digital wallet. A wallet is like a digital bank account for your crypto, keeping it safe and accessible. Congratulations on making your first crypto purchase. Remember, this is just the beginning of your crypto journey. Section 6. Decoding the market's chart reading and trend analysis. Understanding market trends is essential for successful crypto trading. Charts are your window into the market's movements, and learning how to read them is crucial. A bullish market indicates rising prices, while a bearish market signals falling prices. By analyzing chart patterns, you can identify potential buying and selling opportunities. Technical indicators, such as moving averages and RSI, can further aid your analysis. Remember, past performance is not indicative of future results, but understanding trends can help you make informed trading decisions. Don't be intimidated by charts. With practice and the right tools, you can become proficient at reading the market's signals. Section 7. Navigate the crypto sea like a pro. As you embark on your crypto trading adventure, remember that knowledge is your most valuable asset. Stay informed about market developments, news, and regulations. The crypto world is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is key. Do your own research before making any trading decision. There's a lot of information out there, so be sure to rely on credible sources. Be wary of scams and get-rich-quick schemes. Crypto trading involves risks, but with careful planning and a solid understanding of the market, you can navigate this exciting world with confidence. Welcome to the future of finance. Embrace the learning process, stay informed, and trade responsibly.